the crossing before the...
I'm trying. I don't want this car to freak out on me.
There. Caught another train. See if I get the traffic. Let's,
2 engines.
let's see. 824.
142.
142. There's gonna be a middle DPU on this train because it's a cold train.
Is this the third one we've got at this crossing?
We had one before, but we deleted it. Isn't it crazy? The trains we've seen at this crossing for video was different ones. There was intermodal, then tank train, then tank, and now coal. Is that an engine over there?
I don't know, I can't tell.
It is.
Is it?
Yep. Another middle DPU. 10th time I saw that. How many times have you seen it?
6, I think.
I hear them at that crossing. It's turned around forward, I think. Yep, it's turned around forward. I was right, it wasn't. 3146, I think. No, 3406.
3406.
That's a lot of vibration. I think after when the last car comes, I think this one turns red.
It does.
What?
It'll go yellow, red.
When's the last car gonna come? Because this is a long cold train.
Is it cold?
Yeah. Because have you noticed the cars? There's the last cold car. First time we heard the bell this year, isn't it? Trying to get that warning light. There's the last car. Look at that idiot.
He's going over because it just crossed, so. See him? He's taking his bike over the track.
Might wait too.